Date and coffee cake is what we are going to make today. Welcome back to Healthy Nidhi, your place where good food is made easy. So today we are making two very simple last minute cakes for Christmas. These have only 5 ingredients: gluten free, sugar free, egg free and so delicious. Date and coffee cake is so nutritious without added any sugar, while the chocolate cake is made with secret ingredient which everybody loves. So let's make merry this Christmas with these non-indulgent delicious cakes. To make the date coffee cake, let's make the coffee first. Let's take instant coffee, approximately 2 teaspoons, and pour 1 cup of hot water and allow it to brew and keep it aside. Then we take 350 grams of good quality soft dates which have been deseeded and cut into small pieces. Here I am using Vejtiul dates, but you could use any soft dates of your choice. Then we pour the hot coffee brew and soften the dates. This coffee will soften the dates and add so much flavor. Mash these lightly with the help of fork, masher or any whisk till well combined and no bits can be seen. Keep it aside for 30 minutes. Then we take a cup of powdered oats and roast these lightly to make it more digestible and flavorful. Adding half a teaspoon of baking powder and mixing it up all well. Here you see the dates have softened and soaked up all the brewed coffee. Add a bit of salt to balance the flavor. To the date mixture we will further add the prepared oats flour. Here I am using oats, but you could always use all-purpose flour if you wish to. Mix these together till the dates and the flour combine well and no dry bits stay in the batter. Then we take sliced almond and spread it on a cake tin around 5 inches or 6 inches, which has been lined with parchment paper. Here I am using almonds, but feel free to use walnuts or pecan of your choice. Then pour the prepared mixture in the cake tin and smoothen it evenly. Tap it gently to remove any air pockets. Bake in the oven for 160 degrees for 40 minutes. So here you have the most delicious, nutrient-dense, simple date and coffee cake. Cool it well and demold these on a serving plate. In case you are liking the recipe, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Next we are making an eggless chocolate cake. To make the chocolate cake, we will take 150 grams of good quality chocolate. Here chocolate is a key ingredient, so good quality chocolate is what we are looking for. Chop these into small bits so that it's easy to melt. Then we take 100 ml of water and 50 ml of coconut oil or any oil which is of your choice, and add 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder and mix it well. Take a bowl of warm water and mix to melt the chocolate over the hot water bath, or you could just use the microwave if you wish to. For the flour, we are going to use 85 grams of roasted oats, to which we will add half a teaspoon of baking powder and mixing it up well. Then take a bowl and add the melted chocolate mixture and the oat mixture and mix everything together. Empty it into a 5-inch baking pan which has been lined with a parchment paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes till baked but still gooey. So here you have the most luscious chocolatey cake made with just 5 ingredients and so delicious. Now decorate the cake with some icing sugar. Here I am using stencils to decorate the cake, but a simple dust of icing sugar or cocoa powder is just as good. Top it with some fresh fruits of your choice. So here you see you have a self-decorated date and coffee cake. A slight dust of icing powder and it looks also Christmassy. Now let's enjoy this soft, delicious coffee cake with some more coffee. Healthy, wholesome, and so soft. The chocolate cake, which is a miracle on its own with no eggs, no gluten, no sugar, is a sheer delight. Perfect for a cozy Christmas dinner. This small cake is so amazing when you want to make someone feel so special. Chocolatey, decadent, and really fudgy. So I hope you liked the recipe as much as I did. In case you did, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. We are sharing healthy recipes only for you. All the ingredients have been listed in the description box below, so please check them before making.